This guy always shows up at like 11 a.m. when I'm in the middle of recording a video. And the one time I want him to show up at 11 a.m. to deliver a package, he doesn't. So, guess he's on a different route today. And of course, it has to be signature required, so I can't leave and go anywhere. Well, I guess I have to find something to do. God, look at all this dust on here. You see this? Oh wait, that's not dust. It's just my awful camera. I've got way too many boxes. So has anyone ever hung up the letter that they send you with the 100K plaque? Sweetened corn puffs with marshmallows. Surprise Pikachu. Better Mac Buyer's Guide. Oh my god, Office 2011! Oh, is that them? Oh boy, there it is. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of a couple of things that I'm really excited about. And you guys already know from the title what this is. Some of you guys who've been watching my channel for a while may remember I've mentioned a couple of times in passing that I've been considering getting a new camera. And I really needed a new camera upgrade. I mean, for the past, well, since 2015, I've been using this camera right here, the Canon Vixia HF-R500. And it's been a alright camera. It was alright for what I needed it for back in that time, but I've really been wanting to upgrade, and this camera just doesn't really cut it for me anymore. It doesn't perform very well in low light. It's not, you can't really do a whole lot with it other than just press record and change the exposure, and I just really needed something new. Before this, actually the very first camera I used for YouTube was this JVC camera right here, and I upgraded from this to a Panasonic Lumix camera, which was actually my parents'. It wasn't technically mine, but it was a Panasonic Lumix camera, and I used that for, I would say, probably 2013 to 2015, which is when I got this. And now I'm going back to Panasonic because inside of this box right here is a GH5. Yes, I went with a GH5. I was kind of considering going with the Sony line of cameras. I was, you know, caught between Sony and Panasonic, and I even considered the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K camera, but I decided on the GH5 because I know a lot of YouTubers use this camera, and that's certainly for good reason, and it has a lot of features that I think are going to be really helpful in making these videos. So you can see I purchased this from Adorama. I know the pronunciation police will be on me about that, but yes, I had actually never heard of this company before. I was going to buy it from B&H. And B&H had a bundle with the camera body, and you could get a couple accessories like an SD card and a carrying bag and a few other things like a cleaning kit. And it was the same price as buying just the camera body, so you could get all those accessories for free essentially. Adorama had the same thing, but you got like a bunch of other stuff. There's a microphone that they had in this bundle, a Rode microphone, a backpack as opposed to a carrying bag, which I think will be better for me because I can carry more stuff in it. Yeah, it was the same price as the camera body, so I'll have this link down below if you guys want to go check them out. Without any further ado, guys, let's just crack this open. I mean, I am really excited about this because I have been wanting this for a while. And there we go. So you can see we got a whole bunch of stuff here. And I didn't mention it, but this is my very first mirrorless camera. I've never owned a mirrorless camera or a DSLR before, and I think this is going to be a great first one. And yes, everything here aside from the lens was the same price as just getting the camera body. If you're going to order from these guys, don't just get the camera body, get some free stuff with it, because I wasn't really expecting getting some of this stuff, but I think that this Rode Video Micro is going to come in handy. I got a universal charger, some one extra battery here, an SD card, little case here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff. So let's start with let's just start with this stuff right here. So this came like this. It's kind of partially open. This is a replacement battery pack from Green Extreme. We've got a universal charger from these same people. We also got a Green Extreme smart charger plate. We've got a triple shoe V bracket, memory card reader from those same people, Green Extreme, a 128 gigabyte class 10 SD card. Speaking of SD cards, I got a little carrying case for them right here. We've got an LCD screen protector. It actually says Canon on here, but I guess it works with this. We've got an optics care and cleaning kit. Certainly very handy. This right here is a camera light, and this I didn't really need one of these, but I was like, if they're going to include it for free, sure. But yeah, this is a light that you can mount on top of the camera. The Rode Video Micro. I believe this thing retails for $50, $60 on Amazon. And you can see, yeah, the box is a bit damaged there, but it looks like, yeah, it's still sealed. So yeah, this will be useful like for outdoor shoots if I ever end up doing some of that, which I have been thinking of doing some on-location type things for the channel, like actually going to places and recording some footage, which this will absolutely come in handy for that. So here it is. Yeah, I forgot to mention the backpack, but this is it right here. It's made by Slinger. It's the Alpine 200 lightweight compact camera backpack. Pretty cool. Oh, it's actually made by the... Oh, imported by Adorama. So this is like yeah, this is one of their brands. Okay, didn't know that, but it's pretty cool. And finally, guys, let's get to the camera itself. So we're gonna start with the body. So here it is. This thing is it's pretty heavy for sure. You got a lot of documentation here. Before connecting, operating, or adjusting this product, please read the instructions carefully. Here it is. Oh my gosh. I am so excited, guys. I have been waiting for this moment for so long. Okay, so here is, you've got this is one half of the power cable, and then this is a USB cable? Yeah, USB cable. Got the charger. So now I'm gonna have 2 chargers and 2 batteries, which is gonna be great. And finally, here, actually not finally, here's the strap, and here she is. Oh boy. Obviously there's no lens, which is what we got right here. 12-35mm. I got this because it has the constant f2.8 aperture, which is going to be, you know, just good for what I need. Just open it up, shall we? So we've got some instructions here. Alright, here it is, guys. 12-35. That's how it looks, guys. I'm sure you guys have seen one of these before, because, yeah, a lot of YouTubers use this camera. I know LGR does. In my mind, there was no bad decision. I was between this and, like, one of the Sony equivalent, whichever. I've, like, looked at so many different camera models, I honestly don't know which one. I was, like, looking at a couple different Sony models, but, you know, there was one on par with this that I was looking at, and I just went with this one because, you know, I just think it would work out for me, but honestly, I don't think there was a bad decision. So, anyway, what I'm going to do is get the battery in here. I'm going to hook up the video micro, and we're going to see how this thing looks and how the microphone sounds. Well, here it is, guys. This is what you're going to be seeing my videos in from now on, if that makes any sense. This is what you're going to be, I mean, these are what the videos are going to look like, the on-camera ones when I'm using a camera. And I think just from the viewfinder, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks way better than my other camera. And let me know how the audio sounds too. But yeah, I am really excited because I think this is just going to help my videos a lot. Like, I mean a lot in quality. Like I said, I've been overdue for an upgrade for a very, very long time. And I think this is going to be a wonderful camera that's going to last me for a pretty long time, hopefully. So, guys, if you enjoyed this episode, if you want to see more like it, be sure to give this one a thumbs up and get subscribed down below for new videos like this coming multiple times every single week. And as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.